Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the world of Google Merchant Center, a powerful tools that can help you showcase your product on Google Shopping and reach a wider audience. What is Google Merchant Center? Imagine a central hub where you can feed all your product information to Google. That essentially what Google Merchant Center is. It allows you to upload details like title, description, images and pricing for all your amazing product. With this information, Google can display your offering in shopping result, product search and even free local listing. Why should Shopify store owner care? Increase visibility. Google Merchant Center is a fantastic way to get your product in front of potential customers who are actively searching for what you sell. This can translate to more website traffic, brand awareness, and ultimately more sales. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Shopify. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, we have to go to Google, then search Google Merchant Center, then click on the sign up for Google Merchant Center. Click on here. Okay, then we have to share the answer of these questions. Do you sell product online? Yes. Your shop website. You have to add your shop website in here. We are going to add shop website here. Okay. Then do you have a physical shop? No. Then click on the continue. Okay. Show your product on Google for free. Where your product will show. Google will connect you with the right customers across search, YouTube, image and assistant. Customers will see your product listing on Google and go to your website to buy. What you need? Your own online shop. We have already own online shop. Then product, not service. Yes, we have product. Then click on the continue to Merchant Center. Okay. So Google already connected with our website and Google displaying the product what is available on our website, and here is the exact number also. That is amazing. So click on the continue to Merchant Center. Click on here. Welcome to Merchant Center. Next, click on the get started. Wow, we have successfully created our Google Merchant Center account. So I hope you understand everything how we have created our Google Merchant Center account, but we have to do a lot of things in here. We have to know ins and out of all the P chart from the dashboard or admin panel so that we can get the best result from Google Merchant Center. For example, you can see that add your website address. We have to add our website address. Verify your phone number to confirm that is you. We have to verify phone number. Add details to show how to deliver your product. Set up sales tax to show total price product. So we have to complete all the checklist, then it will be completed. So I hope you understand how we have created our Google Merchant account. In the next tutorials, we will complete all the checklist to make it 100% completed following Google Merchant Center guideline. Also, we will know about all these options or menus. For example, notification, product, and under the product menu or tab, there are multiple sub menu like all product need attention, sales tax, automatic improvement, product studio, delivery and return policy, delivery info, business info, shop countries details, then free listing, ad campaign, summary, product. We'll know everything in the next tutorials. So thank you for your time to join this class. If you think this class is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.